and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple Qigong exercise that is called Turn Around and Look at the Moon. It helps to gently open and stretch the lower back as well as the upper body, especially the neck and shoulders. This movement is easy to learn and do and will only take you 5 minutes. Let's begin. Stand up straight, soften your knees and relax your whole body. Slowly raise both hands forward to about shoulder height. Shift your weight to your left leg and turn to the left. Allow your right heel to lift off the ground. Swing both arms out to the side. Release, relax the neck and shoulders and bring both hands down in front of you. Allow your knees to bend slightly. Repeat the same on the other side. Inhale through the nose as you turn your hips and torso to the side. Exhale fully as you come back to center and relax. Continue the movement at your own pace. Remember to breathe naturally without tension. Do 6 to 8 repetitions to begin with, and if it feels good, practice alone for 5 minutes. When you're finished, relax your hands by the sides and take a moment to notice how your body feels.